Welcome everyone to the first episode of Let's Go Digital with your host Raghavendra Devadiga. So yeah, welcome everyone to the first episode of the Let's Go Digital video host Raghavendra Devadiga. First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. With the name of Lord Ganesha, we will start this first episode. So warm welcome to everyone to your episode number one, that is why digital. So, first of all, let me tell you what all things we will be discussing today in the episode of the Let's Go Digital. Mainly, thank you so much. Mainly, we will be covering the most important question, that is why. Why we need to get into the digital world. So, this is the most important question today we will be covering in this episode. Yeah, and with why I will also cover the questions such as who, how, and the most important question, that is the misconception of the digital world. The mainly people has the biggest misconception that I will be clearing today. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's start with our first episode of Let's Go Digital. That is the why digital. So yeah, first I will be clearing my why with you, means why I started this online series. So few months before, when this lockdown started, I noticed an important thing. Many of my friends and my family relatives were really stressed up. So it was work from home for them, and they were not happy with that. So yeah, before this pandemic, I was thinking that traveling is the biggest challenge for everyone. So yeah, basically in cities like Mumbai, for a 9 hours job, they need to travel at least 4 to 5 hours. That was really ridiculous. So I was thinking if everyone will get work from home, all will be happy. But it was not like that. I was completely wrong. I noticed an important thing, that they were doing something that way they are not liking it. So that was the reason. Many of the job has the challenges. Uh, so it's simple that they were not chasing their passion. That's why the reason might be anything, financial, personal, or many anything reason can be there. So it's simple that they were not chasing their passion. So this made me think that why we can't use our internet to work for a passion. Mainly using our internet can help us to run behind our passion. So I thought this before 3 years also, but I was also not aware of it. In internet world, we just know few famous companies such as Google, FB, YouTube, and Instagram, and Wikipedia. Blah blah blah. Many companies are there, but we only know such few companies. These are the some huge organization which has used digital world to get into such huge level. So what is the fact actually? The number of fact I will tell you. I just want to inform everyone that this is just 1% of company which internet has occupied, and it has occupied 99% of the market. So now let's get back to our topic mainly. I started this mission to tell everyone how you can get into the digital world. So let's me clear your why now. My why is clear. Because I started this mission because to help everyone and to make it fun and educate everyone. So let me clear your why now. Everyone has passion, right? But due to some challenges, you can't run behind it. The passion is like everyone has some singing and some dancing and some sports activities like cricket, football, basketball. Many has different passion, but they can't do everything at the same time. So it doesn't mean that you will start playing cricket online. I am telling, uh, but because we can do that in the digital form. And now, how we will do that? Mainly question how. How and where, I will explain you now. First, as I told you before, I will clear your biggest misconception today. Today we are using FB, right? But is it our property? No, it's a Mark Zuckerberg properties. So when you use FB, Insta, and many other social media, we start posting our post and everything. We get many followers. Like if say someone has a 1 million followers in Instagram, actually the biggest misconception is that is not our follower or their follower, it is a follower of the Instagram mainly. So we think that we have mainly that much followers. Now, as a few months back, TikTok was banned in India. So before that, there are many people who has millions of followers in TikTok. So you know that after banning the TikTok, we don't know who the people are. We don't know them. So let me share you one small scenario with you that can explain you more better in this. So suppose you're visiting to a restaurant and five-star restaurant. Imagine you're visiting a five-star restaurant and you get many good people there and you meet everyone and they become friends they become your followers. So they will meet you every day, say you will meet them and they will meet you and you will be happy with them, right? And they will be become your fan. So think one day after many days, due to some reasons, the restaurant had come to a shutdown. So what will you do? Where will you go? Do you have any your own home? I don't think so. So that's the biggest thing. Like if you are using some social media platforms and you're getting many followers, if that will shut down, where you will go? You don't have anything other option. You will keep on switching the platforms. Don't switch the platform. Switch the idea. Now you will think that that's the toughest. So I will tell you how to build your own website and all. That's a big different thing. So the thing is not toughest. It's not toughest. It's just we have to make it systematic. I will telling you the systematic approach to getting into the digital world, and that will be the safest way. So as in the scenario I told you, you will meet different people. So if I will tell you first build your own house and you can visit your restaurant. I never told you don't visit anywhere. Visit your social media platforms. Use them to bring the traffic to your own site, to your own home. If you visit your any social media platform, at that platform you can tell them that come to my home. That is your website, and if there is no need of use of their social media afterwards because the traffic of 1 million followers you get from their social media will directly visit it to your website. What's the fact behind it? Mainly the reason is behind it that after getting the people to your website, they are your visitors. They are your visitors. You don't need to run behind the other platforms. Like you don't have to switch the platforms. You can be on your website. Now the main thing is we will. I will be inviting many guests into the this platform in our mission. So what I'm telling you in this mission, we will tell you how to monetize the things also. I'm not telling you run behind your dreams and passion. After some time, if you not get any income, then it will be boring type. So I will be telling you how to monetize your website from your website, so you can get some money and you can work on it. So the mainly thing is if you keep on working for that, I'm not telling you to do something different. You are running behind your passion. If you like singing, you will be definitely working on singing and you will be creating for a site and something on it on for singing. You can do this a different thing, like you can train people on it and you can educate other people with your talent and skills. So that was the main thing for today's website, today's our episode. So let me know if you have any questions with in this. You can write in the comment section also of the live video. I will be sharing this live video on YouTube too. I will try to share it on the YouTube too, because it today live video on YouTube was not possible for me due to some technical reasons. I will definitely try for doing it. So that was awesome meeting you all. So let me know if you have any questions. You can put in on the comment section. Mainly, I will be the next episode will be on the next Saturday. So we will be training you on the systematic approach, mainly the systematic, how you can start with your journey into the digital. So because the misconception you have understood now, because we are running behind the social media which are not ours. Definitely today or whenever we don't know which will close because the conflicts are still happening on. And as TikTok banned, before that Google Plus was banned few years back. So like that we don't know when social media like Facebook and Instagram and other can do anything. But your website will never be banned because it's yours. It's your property, so you can earn it and it's a digital asset. You can make it as an asset also. So, guys, thank you so much today for this session, small session. I was just wondering if it cleared you, your why question. If it's cleared, then you can continue with me for the next few sections. definitely you will be having some fun, and you will be learning new things in this too. So yeah, thank you so much, and you can have your comments if you have any question. And definitely I will be trying to add the same session on the YouTube too, for getting better easy. And yeah, I think we should close the session today, and I will be sharing into my Facebook also for the other people. You can try to comment and clear your questions. So yeah, thank you so much, and definitely we will meet on next Saturday with something new. And I will start the process of how you will get into digital. That will be a systematic process, and you will definitely love it. No one will tell you that systematic approach. I guarantee it. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for spending with me time. And yeah, bye bye, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi.